Good morning, everyone. Today is the 2nd of November. Took a trade here at 90, which is about this area right here. But I got a feeling it's one of those things that just breaks lower and then just reverses completely. This thing got tested several times already, and I'm actually expecting this level to get tested. So now I'm kind of in a pickle here, whether I should move my stop to break even. And I think I'm going to do that now. And yeah, it's because I think this thing just breaks lower and it does this. Anyhow, I think I'll come back and I'll look for another opportunity. It's a very tight range, so I'm not sure what position to take at the moment. So my bias really is to the long side. It's because of the daily. Let me pull the daily here. There's a trend here that I was kind of looking at, which is connecting the lows. Looks like it might hit here pretty soon. So I'm actually looking at this area right here. Put a box in this one. That area to be bought up. So, and especially it's just kind of sliding all the way down. So I'm interested to see if I can find buyers here and trade those levels to the upside. Um, but I don't know. We'll see. We'll just watch for sure. I think I'm done trading. I'm just gonna watch it, and especially being a Wednesday today, I don't know what will happen. So let's look at the other market. I just noticed gold popped yesterday, or it was running now. It's rallying. Yeah, I see some from the past few days that I was mentioning. This thing is going to rally. Um, Now the S&P breaking this level right here, or not yet. At least there's a still pivot. It's possible that you might find buyers here. Actually, it just breaks that low and let's see here. Price level low is 2125, 2125 right now. Let's see. Just look at the ES here. I think I'll be a buyer on that one. See if I can find a level here. Actually, that might have some room, further room to the downside. Um, let's see if that could cover it. So it looks like it's rolling over now. Some people might see this as a head and shoulder pattern. You got the shoulder right here, you got the head, and then you got another shoulder, wide shoulder here. Now it's starting to decline. And a lot of times people would measure the neckline and from the high to find a target. So if I was to do that, we'll just call this one, let's call it about right here. And the high. So 200%, it's about right here where I almost marked it, and then the 300 portion about right there, which doesn't really make sense. 200 makes more sense. So, and then the 400 obviously will be right here. So yeah, I wouldn't be a buyer of this one. If anything, I should short it. Probably makes more sense to short it, but I won't be shorting it just because profit margin is not much. So intraday trade, I would actually buy this. So let's see. Trying to find a level here. Actually, we might have just missed it. That was the pullback right here. Hmm. Probably get something out of this one. Yeah, probably get something out of this one. I wonder. I'm gonna try it out. It's been a while since I traded. Since I traded. So 21. Just want to try it out. 21, 2099, 50. So that's 1, 2, 3. So I'm gonna figure out my target here. 2103. So my target's about 2109.95. So I'll sell 3 right at this high, 2108.50. And then I'll sell the other 2. Sell the other 2. What's a good level? 2113.43. Does that make sense? Let's see. Let's just put it there for now. 2113, 2114. All right. Okay. Well, I'll pause the video. I'll come back. There's nothing really. There's no trade for CL at the moment. Let's see. Let's go back to CL here. Yeah, it's not much of a trade. So the ES was a better setup. All right. So you got my target, and it looks like a little over 1-to-1 here on the first one. I might cancel that one. Let's see. I'll take another point. 209.50. So I'll sell it at 210, and the other one about 214. Alright, we'll see what happens. I'll be back. Okay guys, I am heading to work. I think I'm just gonna leave the stop where it is. I'm not sure about this trade now. This thing got rejected twice at this level. So this thing might try to find a buyer down here. Yes is always I always perceive to be a sideways action, but yesterday just, man, that's an awesome move right there. So we'll see if we can get some kind of bounce. And I think I might be dreaming up some of these, some of the exit location that I'm in. Might lower my target here. Yeah, 210 is a good place. I don't know about this one. Actually, just since I'm heading to work, I'm gonna try to sell maybe right here, because it got tested there twice, so at least I can lower my risk. Okay, that's a good thing. Now I have 4 left. might just peel out another one. 203.50. Just 210. I might just peel another one here. Just makes a new high. We'll take one off the table. Bummer. This thing starts trading below 2102.50. This thing might have a downside move here. I was hoping this bar would rally up, but it didn't do that. So let's just take one out now. Just reduce our risk here. Just didn't do what I'm. Sometimes you got to make some adjustments, like being new to ES. I really just wanting to protect myself here. Then maybe we'll go for the gold here and just sell one right here. Sell 2 points later, and then we'll sell the other one at 214. See what happens. Alright, so I think that's a better position there. And then I'll keep my my stop at that level. Alright, well, I gotta go to work. See y'all later. I'll post. This is gonna be a late post. Hopefully this thing will turn into an awesome winner today. Not sure if it'll ever make there. Yeah, because it's a 50% retracement. It's actually at 210. So from the previous day move, maybe that's why it's stalling. As you can see, I'm not really all familiar with the ES type trading, and kind of struggling to set targets and stops here. So can't decide. 201. So I'll just put it 3 ticks from this low. So that way, if this thing decides to make a lower low and head south, then at least I'm already protected myself. Man, this is bad trading. Anyways, alright, well, I'm just gonna leave it where it is. I'll see you on, or I'll pause the video, and by the time you see it, it'll probably take me out by that point. So yeah, it's starting to trend lower now. I'll pause the video. I'll be back.